Hi, my name is Ansley Owens. This is the 4533 Mass Communications class with Dr. Chris Underation, and today I will be discussing Section 230 of the Communications Decency Act, and as per my last name being Owens, I will be discussing why Section 230 is no longer needed, the benefits of overturning this section, and what social media / internet platforms will look like if it is overturned. Okay, so I wanted to start by discussing what exactly Section 230 of the Communications Decency Act actually is. Now, according to internetsociety.org, quote, Section 230 was enacted in 1996. At the time, some lower courts in the United States were threatening the ability of internet service providers and other online providers to carry the speech of individuals without risking significant legal liabilities for the content of the speakers. For example, if illegal user-generated content was posted to a forum, the forum organization could be held responsible despite not being involved in the creation of the content. Close quote. Okay, so since my last name is Owens, I will be discussing why Section 230 should be removed. Section 230 pretty much protects a service provider when a person commits defamation, slander, or libel. Now, according to nolo.com/legal-encyclopedia/defamation-slander-libel, defamation is an area of law that provides a civil remedy when someone's words end up causing harm to your reputation or your livelihood. Libel is a written or published defamatory statement, while slander is defamation that is spoken by the defendant. In this section, close quote. So, if Section 230 were to be overturned, that would hold internet providers more responsible for allowing the defamatory pieces to be published in the first place. Which means that, yes, this would change things in the journalism world completely, because providers would have to be more careful of what they allowed on their sites to avoid lawsuits. And would that really be such a bad thing? Not really. When it comes down to it, the Section 230 of the Communications Decency Act does even protect providers, even in cases where there are predators, because it protects the providers, since they are a third party, from giving those people permission to go on and do what they're going to do. So to conclude this video, I wanted to end off with a quote from adl.org in the fourth and last paragraph, where it says, quote, "Time and time again, we have seen social media platforms amplify or recommend content that foments hate and bigotry. The anti-Semitism, Islamophobia, racism, misogyny, and disinformation that has run rampant online often results in enormous damage to the lives, reputations, businesses, and families of those targeted." Close quote. So to end off this this essay, I just want to say that I do agree with the prompt that I was given, that Section 230 should be overturned. Thank you.